Hey everyone, this is just a quick little video that's a problem very similar to question 9 on the lesson master from 4-5, today's assignment Wednesday. And it's asking you to find the next two closest angles to a given angle that have the sine. And this is one that's just starting from scratch. We don't even know the first angle. I thought that would be helpful to see. So to find this first angle, you probably looked at this and saying, I know how to do this. I've seen this before. Sine of some angle equals 0.7 means its y value is 0.7 on the unit circle, which would be, in the first quadrant, there's one here. And you're probably seeing some other angles that have that. But this would be the theta that we're talking about there with a y value of something. We don't care what the x value is, but the y value is definitely 0.7. And we could find that x value, but so we use our calculator and we do inverse sine on our calculator. So inverse sine of 0.7, and our calculator is going to give us something between negative 90 and positive 90, and we need to be in radians for this unit. So if we did inverse sine of 0.7 in radians mode, we'd get 0.775 is the angle that I'm getting on my calculator. So that's kind of the setup of the problem 9, is that this is one solution. Find the next two closest solutions. And so I'll switch colors here. Another angle with that same sign is over here. And this guy is, if you remember from the last section, this rotation is pi minus that first angle. Really easy to see here. We just reflect it across the y-axis. So this down here is also whatever theta is, 0.775. So this second answer over here is pi minus 0.775. That'd be the next positive angle that's closest to 0.775. And so for that one, we get 0.236. So that would be the next closest angle going in the positive direction. To get an angle going in the positive direction that has that same sign, we're going to be 360 degrees around to this green angle here again, 2 pi added. If we come in the negative direction, though, we hit an angle first. So this angle coming back here would be the closest negative angle to 0.775 radians that has a sine of 0.7. And there's a lot of ways you can get this. You're probably seeing some nice circle math that you could do. The simplest way to think about it for me is this is just 2 pi back around the circle in the opposite direction from the blue angle we got. So 2366 minus 2 pi. And if you want to see that on the circle, here's 2.366 radians in the positive direction, and then back it up. 2 pi takes you back to here in the negative direction. So for that, we get negative 3.916. And that's how you find the two closest angles. Now, this certainly can find this angle a different way. It's negative, and then you take pi for a half a circle, plus this little squiggle here is this 0.775. So if you wanted to get that by going pi plus 0.775, and then making it negative, you'd get the same exact answer. I hope that helps. Good luck on the rest of it.